In 2008, Dr. Chris Oswald and his team of chemists and researchers invented MuscleCare to help people all over the world live better lives in less pain. 1 in 3 Americans have chronic pain. That's pain that lasts longer than 6 months. Lower back pain is now the #1 global disability, and neck pain and headache is number 4. Millions of Americans have resorted to pills and many opioids, which are highly mind-altering and addictive. The world needs something safer and effective to reduce pain, inflammation, and spasm. Until now, topical pain products have been counter-irritants, distracting at best. Many are hot and cold rubs. But MuscleCare is not okay with that. Many are loaded with dyes and parabens and other coloring agents that actually bioaccumulate, mess with the hormone system, and may even cause other health concerns. The MuscleCare team is definitely not okay with that. Are you? So after 20 years in practice and helping many people get out of pain, their frustration became Dr. Chris's. We needed a better way to help pain. Thus, Dr. Chris developed the most innovative, effective, and safest all-natural topical roll-on and maximum strength cream that would take away your pain, inflammation, and spasm. MuscleCare uses magnesium as the driver to relax muscles and allow glucosamine and MSM to penetrate deep into the joint and reduce inflammation and pain. Patients love it. Dr. Chris and his team were so confident that they sent MuscleCare to researchers to test it against major national and professional brands. It outperformed BioFreeze and Icy Hot by a statistically significant margin. MuscleCare is also proven in a published study at the University of Toronto and Sick Children's Hospital Mother Risk Group to be safe for a woman to use when pregnant or nursing for pain management. Finally, MuscleCare went up against an even bigger drug company. The University of Toronto's Performance Lab cited that MuscleCare was marginally better than Voltaren, and the renowned author stated, "Why not use MuscleCare since it's all natural?" MuscleCare is registered with the US FDA, Health Canada, and Australia TGA, with registration in Latin America very soon to come. There are over 1 million users, has sold out on QVC and TSC, and have thousands of positive life-changing testimonials. People who have been using opioids for years have wrote in that when they add MuscleCare to their treatment, they can reduce their drug use by up to 63%. Sharon from Michigan says,
Dear Dr. Chris, I began writing to you 3 years ago when I first purchased your roll-on pain-relieving gel. I have osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, degenerative disc disease, plus a herniated disc in my back. At the time, I was on prescription medication, including 240 milligrams morphine daily. With the approval of my doctor, today I am now taking 90 milligrams morphine daily, plus my arthritis medications. I attribute this progress to your product. From the first time I used your product, I became your mouthpiece. I told everyone about your remarkable pain-relieving product I found. I told my church members, my friends, and my family. My sister told her friend who has rheumatoid arthritis. Everyone has been amazed. My good friend orders online from your company. She has fibromyalgia and lupus, and your products have been a blessing. In fact, your products have been a relief to all of us. We are pain-free, exercising more, moving more, and smiling a lot more. True blessings. Thank you, Sharon.
This is how MuscleCare came to be, and how it's been proven to help those in need. Visit our website or call toll-free to learn more and purchase your very own MuscleCare. We offer free shipping and a full money-back guarantee. Toll-free, 1-844-784-7246. www.musclecare.net.